Hello again. I'm back with the second box. I bought these two boxes on a whim. There were two boxes for £10 and I didn't get to see what was in them really beforehand. But anyway, I finished off with, I didn't get a chance to say that there was also a milk jug or cream jug for the little coffee set, which is Royal Worcester. And the first item that I've starting off with here is a Churchill's England little cream doppled. Can you see that? It's like trying to get it to focus. So that's quite cute, like that. And this little piece of pottery. Honiton, England. It's textured. Make a nice little pot plant. What is this? Wild Cafe. Case. Espresso, 280cc espresso cups and saucers and spoons carry box. And well, this is something different. It's probably sort of retro. Wild Cafe. Wild by Paul Cardew for fine casa, made in China. There's your wild cup of coffee, and it's got like a little spoon with it. So, if you're into that. So, and the other one's in the box. And this looks like a napkin holder. It's got like a little fish on it attached to the. Imagine like if you were outside to put your napkins on there. So sort of boho type thing. Sadler, another little glazed jug. This looks like Portugal, yeah, Portuguese pottery for putting like a little plant in, little plant pot. Made in Portugal. Be a bit of holiday wear, tourist wear. George and Queen Mary, Silver Jubilee, 1910 to 1905. Presented by the Northumberland Education Committee, May 6, 1935, Johnson Brothers, British Pottery. That's unusual. Now this looks like a bit of mailing, I think. Chelsea hand painted ware, made in England. It doesn't say mailing on it. I thought it was a bit like the lusterware, mailing lusterware. But a jam pot. It's pretty. See the lid. Chelsea. Hand painted anyway, that's so. This is probably one of the items that I bought it for. I'm a sucker for teacups, cold cloth, bone china. With a lovely little You know, a cup of tea out of a bone china cup just tastes so much better. I drink my tea black as well with no milk, so I think that's why I like the china cups. Now, what's this? Everything seems to be in very good condition. You know, there's a little bit of crazing on a couple of things, but no chips. Or the art of choking. This used to be popular for displaying on your 24 karat gold edged samurai swords. So that's that little ginger jar. I'm trying to get through these as quickly as possible, so as I've got another part of regalia, royal regalia. The Duke and Duchess of York. It's a little by Fenton China, English bone china, double-handed cup. These items will mostly be on my eBay site. Now I can't really read it. It's made in England anyway. It's something like basic wear, I think. Little cottage scene on this jug. There's like a little paint splatter or something on this, but I think that's easily removable. Just give it a wash. A couple of bits. I'll give that a wash. I'm sure looks in good condition apart from that. And I've got some more plates here. What are these? The Earl's Palace, Kirkwall in the Orkney Islands. I like that. There's another one. The Bishop's Palace, Kirkwall, Orkney Islands. That's nice china as well. It's Wood and Sons, Burslem. So it's English ironstone. That's nice. Bit ironic that they're putting Scottish scenes on English ironstone. But there you go. And this one. Here we go. What's this? This looks like a whole hand-painted piece of pottery. No markings on it. It's got a wall hanging piece of wire, basically. What's this? Here's another unusual little sugar bowl. Foreign, it's just marked foreign. And a little rattan handle. It's pretty sweet. I was hoping I might have found a little sugar bowl to go with that, but I think there's another little jug. Pottery. No markings on it, but very cream with a sweet design on it. I like that one. And we've got a serving platter, big oval serving platter, and that's Royal Doulton, Twilight Rose, tableware, 1984. That's a nice piece. Can you see there? For the glare, I'm not sure. I like that. Another oval. This looks a bit older. Royal Cauldon, established England 1774. Vernique. This is probably done in the 50s, I would think. That's that sort of, it might be. Would it be seen as being like an Art Deco kind of pattern? I don't know whether. It's got that kind of slight Clarice Cliff look about it on the side there. Or Susie, what's her name? I can't remember now. And a large one, same pattern, so I would say these would be sold as a set. Or individually, whichever applies. The Vernique. It's also got like little paint markers. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get that off. But that's a jolly big platter for your turkey at Christmas, or a couple of plaques. Dogs laugh, but they laugh with their tails. One must love a cat on its own terms. Cat and dog lovers. And these are made in China. Just a couple of small items left and we'll be all done. St. John's Chapel. Little cat memorabilia. And another Chinese inspired, foreign marked sugar bowl with a rattan handle. I'd say they are pear, wouldn't you? Slightly different shapes. It's got the oval. That's like rectangular. And what have we got here? Well, it's vase, approximately, what, 6 inches. That, I can't make out what it is. Whether it's a Chinese mark. You know, if anybody can help me out with any of these, please comment below. And what's this? 2 little, they're pretty. Royal Winton. Greenwades. I like them. Gorgeous. 2 little dishes. And I think that's it. I think that's the last of my items. Oh no, there's one over here. What's this thing? 2 little. And we've got 2 little Royal Grafton. Little dishes, a pair of them. They're pretty. And that's the end of this collection. I will be back on again in a few days with some other bits and bobs that I'm putting up for sale. Be nice talking to you. Hope you have a lovely day, lovely night, whatever, whenever you're watching this. And please like and subscribe. That would be great. I'm Meg saying goodbye.